Hi, my name is Mohammed. In this video we'll discuss about relational operators and logical operators. So let's get started. First we have the relational operators. Relational operators operate on numbers, like the greater than and less than we see in math. That's also equal, this one. Or we could say greater than or equal, or less than or equal. Let's see some examples so that we understand it more. Now, if you try to check if two values are equal, then of course we want to have an answer. This answer can be yes or no. But remember, we use boolean to store either true or false. So here, for example, we are using equal. This is the equal. So we are saying if 3 equal to 2, then the result is 2. If not, the result is false. So in this case, check if equal should have value false, since 3 is not equal to 2. Now let's move on to this example. We see that we have 3 is greater. We read this as 3 greater than or equal to 2, and this is true. So we store and check if larger, true. We could say another example is 3 greater than 2. In this example we also store 2, since 3 is greater than 2. Another example is 2 is less than 3, which is also true. So we have these values for each boolean variable. Now let's move on to the logical operators. Logical operators, on the other hand, operates on booleans. Relation operator, as you can see here, operates on integers or any number. Now with the logical operators, it operates on booleans. So we can use two of these and place a logical operator in the middle. Then this should return another boolean. Let's see an example. Or let's first discuss each operator. First we have this one. This is called the AND operator. It's used to store true if both the operands are true. If one of them are false, then AND will return false. For example, if we AND these two, we should get false since one of them is false. But if we AND these two, then we should get true since both are true. Let's see an example for the AND. Here we are ANDing check if equal, which is in this case false, and check if larger, which is true. So in this case we should have false. Now let's see second an example. Here I written the two booleans without storing each one in variable. This is also another way to write this expression. So this should also return false. Now let's move on to the second operator, the OR. OR is used to store true if either one of the operands are true. If both are false, then we should store it false. So there is one case where it should have false, and this one is when both are false. If we have true and false, true or false, then we should store true. If we have false and or true, we should have as a result true. If both are true, then the result is true. Let's see an example. In this example we are having an OR operator between check if equal and check if larger. Here is check if equal and check if larger is here. So we have false and true. Either one of these two are true, so we should get at the end true. Now let's move on for the XOR operator. Now XOR is the same as OR, but if both operands are true, the result will be false. So in this example, check if equal is false and check if larger is true. So we should get true. But if for example we said, let's give you another example. For example 2, let's say we are XORing check if larger and check if smaller. So in this case both are true, and as we said, XOR operates the same as OR, but if both operands are true, then we should get the result false, so this should return false. But if we are using OR, then this should return true. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.